Hi, in this video I am going to create a watercolor flower like this. Even the beginners can create this kind of flower without much hassle. So let's start with the process. I am going to use a round brush of number 12, and for detailing I am going to use the number 1 round brush. You can also do the detailing with the use of the tip of this brush itself, but if you find it difficult, you can use the small brush for the detailing. So let's start with the process. I am going to sketch this flower with very light pressure. Keep the pressure as less as possible so that you don't have to erase it later and the pencil marks are not visible when you fill in the colors. This will be the center of the flower where we will be putting the darker dots, and this will be the stem. Now I am taking the round brush of number 12 and I am taking generous amount of water in this and taking the yellow pigment. Take rich pigment and lot of water because we are creating the first layer, and on top of that we will be creating other layers of other colors. So I will start filling the colors. Please remember, take lots of water because it will help in blending the second layer of different color easily. What I will do is that I will work on each petal at one time. I am not moving on to other petals. First I will finish the first petal and then I will move on to the second one because I don't want the paint to dry while I am working on the other petals, because while the paint is wet I am going to put another orange layer on top of it to give it an effect. And please, when you are painting with the use of watercolor, keep in mind where your light is coming from. The light source decides where the shadow will fall. So if the light is coming from the right side, I am going to put the darker color on this side of the petal. And in the center, the color will be darker, as obvious. Even darker color of maroon I am using to give effect in the center and on the sides, because the assumption is that the light source is coming from the top of the right side. So this is the first petal which is almost complete. Later we will do the detailing on all the petals. So first I am just doing all the petals. The detailing will be done at the end. Again I am taking lots of water and the yellow color. Repeating the same process again, putting some shade of orange here and blending it well. In the center we can put darker color. Blend everything well by using water. This petal is on the lower side, so the shadow will be much more on this petal because it will be getting covered with the top petals, so it will be slightly darker than the rest of the petals. So I'm going to make it darker by adding more orange and less yellow, and covering it with more of maroon. So the first layer I'm not applying yellow only, I am applying more of orange instead of yellow to give it a darker color. You can do it by mixing yellow and orange and making it darker by adding more maroon. Use lots of water to blend the colors well, and in the center make sure that the color is darker, even darker. You can mix black with maroon to give it a really dark effect. Little bit of black and maroon will serve the purpose. See, and I'm going to use lots of water to blend it with the other colors. Now for doing this petal, I repeat the process using yellow as the bottom layer. You don't have to worry when the colors bleed around. You can adjust it using your paintbrush. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I will create the center of this flower using the darkmost color. I am using the mix of maroon with little bit of black to give it the darkest shade, and using the tip of the brush to create these kinds of dots. Some color will blend into the colors of the petal, and that is okay. It will give a realistic look to the painting. You can use a bit of brown and green to paint the center, and now I am going to paint the stem. Mix of dark green and sap green I am taking. Now I am taking the size 1 brush to do the detailing. I am taking the maroon color to give some effects like this. So this is the result. This is the flower anybody can create. You just have to follow the process shown in the video. You can tell me about how you like the process in the comment section, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.